Ketan Bhatikar has appealed to Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant to ensure proper and transparent recruitment at the Rajiv Gandhi Kala Mandir. He has urged that female members be appointed to the institute to the staff selection committee, pointing out that this system has already been implemented across Goa. According to Ketan Bhatikar, the same recruitment process should now be followed while constituting the committee at Rajiv Gandhi Kala Mandir to ensure fairness and accountability. He also stressed the importance of women representation in cultural institutions and said appointments must be made strictly as per established norms.
कला मंदिरान एक महिलाकूय अपॉइंट करचे आणि दोतोर इतले बरे बरे कलाकार आहा फोंड्या त्या कलाकारांक मातशे घाला कमिटीन तुवें स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमिटी नंबर 1 केली गोंयांत न्ही इंडियन हीट जाली तशी ही कला मंदिराची बी कमिटी काडल्या पळय दोतोर तातूंतय स्टाफ सिलेक्शन घाल्ले न्ही खरे कलाकार मेळटा आशिल्ले थँक्यू दोतोर आनी कितें सांगा दोतोर तुका बरें थँक्यू
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.